Okay. Choose the phrase from the box. O, ito yung box. Dito ka magpipili, ha? Tapos, write it on the line to complete each sentence. O, Jose and Linda, tingnan mo yung pictures. Jose and Linda will dance in the fiesta next week. Will dance. Number 2. I will blank a new dress tomorrow. I will buy.
Mama, wag tayong magkaaway kasi si Tita tulog panggabihin.
Will buy. Number 3. The boys blank to the Enchanted Kingdom next month. The boys blank will buy, will go, will dance, will jog, will swim.
Will go.
Will go. Number 4. We blank at Virginia Resort tonight. Will buy, will go, will dance, will jog, will swim. Will swim.
Will
Swim.
swim.